How long do vacuums last? A thorough examination. Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered, how long is my vacuum really supposed to last? If your trusty machine suddenly seems tired, you might be asking yourself this right now. Today, I'll break down what actually influences vacuum lifespan, how to tell when it's time for a replacement, and how you can make your next vacuum last as long as possible. Let's get into it! How long do vacuums last? Let's start with the basics. On average, most household vacuums last about 1 to 3 years, but it really depends on what kind you have and how you use it. Here's a quick rundown. Upright vacuums, built tough, typically last around 2 years with regular heavy use. Canister vacuums offer flexibility and power. Average lifespan is about 2 years. Cordless stick vacuums, light and convenient, but batteries wear out, expect 1 to 2 years. Handheld vacuums, great for quick jobs, usually last 1 to 2 years. Robot vacuums, with the right maintenance, you'll get 1 to 2 years, maybe more as tech improves. Remember, these are just averages. If you take good care of your vacuum or simply use it with decent habits, it could last longer. What impacts a vacuum's lifespan? So what really determines how long your vacuum sticks around? Here's the inside scoop. Quality and build. Strong, well-built vacuums from reputable brands last longer than a bargain model. How often you use it. Daily deep cleans on a big house? That'll wear your vacuum out faster than a small apartment with light use. Surface type. Dirtier, rougher floors create more wear and tear. Smooth floors are easier on your machine. Maintenance. Clean or change filters. Remove tangled hair from rollers. Empty dust bins. Do this stuff regularly and your vacuum will thank you. Battery care. For cordless models, avoid running them totally dead and don't leave them plugged in for days. Store your vacuum in a cool, dry place to protect those important parts. And here's a pro tip. Fix small issues fast. Don't wait for a weird noise to become a total breakdown. When should you replace your vacuum? Ready for a new vacuum or just a little tune-up? Here are telltale signs it's time to upgrade. Suction just isn't what it used to be. If your vacuum's missing more than it's grabbing, that's a problem. Weird sounds or smells. Grinding, screeching, or a burning odor often means trouble inside. Frequent clogs. Some jams are normal, but if it's happening all the time, your vacuum isn't up to the job anymore. Obvious physical wear. Cracks in the body, exposed wires, or a cord that's seen better days. If these issues are paired with an old age and regular maintenance isn't helping, it's probably time for retirement. Looking for a vacuum you won't have to babysit? The eufy X10 Pro Omni delivers. Super strong 8,000 pascal suction for carpets and floors, plus advanced filters for clean air. Smart navigation, anti-clog tech, and even mopping. It's purpose-built for busy or pet-loving homes, and with proper care, could outlast any bargain model. To wrap up, most vacuums last 1 to 3 years. Treat them well and you'll get more. Long life equals good care. Regular cleaning, prompt repairs, and thoughtful storage matter more than brand alone. How often should I vacuum? At least once a week. But if you have pets or allergies, go for 2 to 3 times per week. How often should you replace your vacuum? Most should last 5 to 8 years with good care, but if performance tanks, replace sooner. Best time to buy a vacuum? Major sale seasons like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and spring cleaning months. Hope this helped you master vacuum longevity. Subscribe for more tips, smarter cleaning gear, and honest reviews. Drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.